Hello tech enthusiasts, aspiring founders, and anyone fascinated by the future of innovation. When you think about the cutting edge of artificial intelligence, a few names instantly come to mind: visionaries, researchers, and pioneers. And when you think about launching groundbreaking tech startups, one accelerator stands above the rest. Today we're bringing these two titans together to explore a powerful synergy: Andrew Ng and Y Combinator. How have their individual contributions and their overlapping influence shaped the AI startup revolution? Let's dive into the fascinating world where groundbreaking AI research meets unparalleled startup acceleration. 1. Andrew Ng, the AI visionary. First, let's talk about Andrew Ng. If you've ever dipped your toes into the world of artificial intelligence, you've likely encountered his work. Ng is a computer scientist, a Stanford professor, and a true luminary in the field of AI. Key contributions: Google Brain. He co-founded and led Google Brain, a research team that pioneered deep learning within Google, leading to massive breakthroughs in areas like speech recognition. Imagine being able to talk to your phone. Baidu chief scientist. Later, he served as chief scientist at Baidu, where he led their AI group, transforming the company into an AI-first organization. DeepLearning, AI and Coursera. Recognizing the immense potential and the need for education, he co-founded Coursera and DeepLearning. AI, democratizing access to high-quality AI education for millions worldwide. Andrew Ng's impact isn't just in groundbreaking research, it's in making AI accessible, inspiring a generation of engineers and entrepreneurs to build with this powerful technology. His mantra: AI is the new electricity. 2. Y Combinator, the startup factory. Now let's turn our attention to Y Combinator, or YC. Founded in 2005, YC is not just an accelerator. It's arguably the most prestigious and successful startup incubator in the world. Their model, YC, invests a small amount of money in a large number of startups twice a year. They then bring the founders to Silicon Valley for an intensive 3-month program, providing mentorship, advice, and a powerful network. Success stories. Their alumni list reads like a who's who of tech giants: Airbnb, Dropbox, Stripe, Reddit, Coinbase, and countless others. YC's secret sauce is its ability to identify promising founders, provide them with the right resources, and push them to build quickly. YC has mastered the art of turning ambitious ideas into thriving businesses, creating an ecosystem where innovation can flourish at an incredible pace. 3. The synergy: AI startups and YC. So how do these two forces intersect? As Andrew Ng and others propelled AI into the mainstream, a new wave of entrepreneurs emerged, eager to apply this new electricity to solve real-world problems. And where do many of these ambitious founders turn for guidance and funding? Y Combinator. YC's embrace of AI. YC quickly recognized the transformative power of AI. They actively sought out and invested heavily in AI-focused startups, providing them with the unique YC playbook: focus on users, build relentlessly, and iterate fast. Impact of Ng's work. Many founders entering YC have been educated by Ng's Coursera courses or inspired by his vision. His emphasis on practical AI applications directly feeds into the problem-solving mindset that YC fosters. This convergence has created an incredible launchpad for AI innovation. YC provides the structure and network, while the founders, often leveraging the knowledge popularized by Ng, bring the cutting-edge AI technology to life. 4. Examples of YC-backed AI startups. Consider companies like OpenAI, a generative AI startup with a system that can solve human-level problems. Or In Silico Medicine, an AI-powered biotech company that is a leading force in AI-driven drug discovery. These are just a few of the countless AI startups that have been through YC. translating complex AI models into tangible products that are changing industries. This partnership accelerates the journey from a complex AI model to a market-ready product, proving that the future is being built today. Conclusion. The combined influence of Andrew Ng's relentless advocacy and education for AI and Y Combinator's unparalleled ability to scale startups has created a fertile ground for the AI revolution. They haven't just predicted the future of AI, they are actively building it, one startup at a time. This synergy empowers innovators to harness the power of AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the world we'll live in tomorrow. Outro. What do you think about the impact of AI on startups? And which AI innovations are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with aspiring entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching.